Welcome to a short training video that will provide an overview of the Salesforce Home tab and its components. Let's get straight into it. As you can see on the left hand side here, we've got a UK Quick Start menu. We've just got a number of different links, My Target Partners accounts, also a couple of print view links which will open up a print view window. Let's open one of those up now so you can actually see what will be created. And as you can see there, you've got a print view for tests for account teams, and shows you a number of different details, including phone number and last activity and days. This list can be printed off, so you click on the print this page icon. That'll bring up your print menu, and obviously you can choose to print that to an appropriate printer. Click OK and you're done. Let's close that one down and we'll go back to the home screen here. Down below you'll see up and above and down below you'll see two links there. My Target Partners accounts, which is what the print view for Target Partners is attached to. If you click on that link above, that will take you through to the accounts tab screen view. And as you can see here, that'll give you the full list of accounts that will show up on your print view for Target Partners. You can click into each of those accounts just by clicking on the name, and that'll take you through to the actual account screen. And on that account screen you can obviously scroll down and look at the information, including the open opportunities and or closed opportunities that you might have associated with that one, to further click in and go into the opportunity. Let's scroll back up and we'll come back out to the Home tab. And you'll see here that you've also got a My Premium Partners link or screen view, and you've also got a print view Premium Partners print view to print off as well. So when you come into your desk in the morning, you'll need to go into these two links and print off your Target Partners, and if you also have assigned Premium Partners, you can print off that list also. And that will give you a list of all of your current Target Partners that you can use as a working list to work from. Now, in addition to that, you've also on the center section here got a number of UK partner links. Now these are attached primarily to screen views, and we've already looked at two of those, My Target Partners and My Premium Partners, which is below that. And you've got the exact same view in these links here as well, My Target Partners account view, and you've also got My Premium Partners just above that. The additional ones that you've got in this list are My Standard Partners, and you've also got a My Target Partners Opportunities view down the bottom. Let's click on that one and go in and take a look. This particular view actually shows you opportunities rather than accounts. So it will actually show all of the opportunities that are that have been created and are sitting on any accounts that are assigned to you that are Target Partners. So what does that mean? What's the differences between the opportunities and the accounts tab? Well, the opportunities list is only going to show you opportunities, whereas the accounts tab, if you have an account that is assigned to you as a Target Partner but an opportunity has not yet been created, then it's not going to show up in this list. And that's why it's probably of greater benefit to use the accounts list or My Target Partners accounts as the primary list to work from, because then you can click on the individual accounts and go into those and look at the opportunities that might be associated with them. But the opportunities list is also helpful because it gives you a list of all of your opportunities, which you can look at stages, you can look at additional opportunity related information, including last activity dates, etc. And that can be of benefit in a different way in respect to you working with the open opportunities that you currently have with your accounts. Let's go back to the Home tab now, and we'll look at two last things. There is one additional link here which is actually associated with the calendar, and that is the London Sales Appointment Calendar. If we click on that one, that will actually take you through to a calendar view, which is a 7-day calendar view for the London team. And if we scroll across, and we can see here that the actual view itself, we need to change the dates of that. We're currently sitting in August, and we can use these two buttons up the top here to scroll through the weeks. Or alternatively, we can change it to a 31-day view and quickly scroll through the months. Now, bear in mind that the usage of calendar, the creation of events, will actually be discussed and talked about in the next video, which is the how to use a Salesforce calendar video. So we won't go into that in detail here right now. And when we get to October, we can take a quick look. On a 7-day view, or even a 1-day view, to see what's actually there. So again, we can scroll down and see what has been set up. Alright, let's go back out to the Home tab once again, and we'll take a quick look at a couple of more things. As you can see, we have a calendar component, and this will actually list all of the meetings in the left hand side here for your calendar. The buttons, details and icons will go through in the how to use a Salesforce calendar video, which will be the next one that you'll probably work through. Down below that, you've also got My Tasks, and My Tasks will obviously give you a list of all the tasks that are associated with your opportunities. Now, working off this task list can be done in one of two ways. Obviously, you can click on the relevant tasks. If you highlight or mouse over, you'll get a pop-up which actually shows you. If you click on it, it'll actually take you through to the task itself. Now remember, once you've completed a task, you do need to actually complete it, so you need to click on Edit, and you need to scroll down to the status and change that to completed. You can leave some text in the comments box if there's any relevant notes that you want to say or leave regarding this particular contact with the client. And then you just need to click on Save. And if we were to go back out to the Home tab, you'll see that this particular task has now been removed from your task list because it's been completed. Moving down further, so just to recap, sorry, on that component, to get rid of the tasks on your list, you do need to go into and click into and go into the task, change the status to completed, save it, and that will move it from your task list. If you don't close it as completed, then it will remain on your task list and look like it has not been completed, which will obviously have an effect on reporting to see which tasks you've completed. Now, dashboard. The dashboard will still appears on your homepage view, and that obviously shows the opportunities in deal successful pending mode and also approved mode. The numbers that you see appear here obviously correspond to your opportunity that you have created for that particular account. So when you close a deal, obviously you need to make sure that you've got the close date set, and you also need to make sure that the opportunity is owned by you, and that the close date is or appears as this week that you're currently in. This dashboard works on a week-by-week basis, so therefore the numbers that appear in that will correspond to this week only, so the week running from Monday through to Sunday. Alright, let's move to the left of the screen. As you can see here, you've got a list of recent items, which is useful, and you can obviously flick back and forth between accounts, opportunities, and other records that you might be working with in the system. And then above that, you've also got the search screen on the left hand side here. Excellent, that's it for this video. The next video that you'll go through will be the how to use the Salesforce calendar video, and that will go right into using logging calls, new tasks, new events within the opportunity screen, how they're created, and also going into in more detail the usage of the calendar component, which you see here on the home screen. We'll leave it there for now, and enjoy using Salesforce.